If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
I'm always on the lookout for something unique to add a little quirk to my outfits. And if you're like me, you'll probably agree that the easiest way to do that is to add a few cool accessories and baubles. So when I was on the quest to find something worthy to go with my outfits, I stumbled upon this rather unusual yet trendy necklace. Now I really like how this looks, but at $17.90, I think I can make something like this at home for significantly less. Okay, so let's start by actually analyzing how this necklace has been put together. Now I can see a lot of different types of keychain rings and different sizes of lobster clasps and even some carabiners. I'm going to grab everything I can from whatever I have here at home first. So all these are everything I found from keychains and bags, and hopefully no one will miss them. I got these links and clasps online, and I'm going to leave the links down in the description if you want to get them too. And these I got from a local shop, so let's try to link some of this together and make something that looks nice. I'll start with my earring and maybe use it as my centerpiece. I'll mix silver and gold links together for a slightly different look. I enjoy being able to move around these links to see how I like them. Surely sometimes not everything looks good, but you're always learning something, and that's equally fun. I do like how this is looking, but it might be a bit shorter than I want it to be, so let's add a few links. It's perfect now. And what's really the best part about it is that you can try different links and make your own customized necklace. Or you can even remove a few links and make a bracelet in just a few seconds. For the bracelet, I put different types of gold links together. Not a bad way to spend a few minutes and for a lot less than this. And it looks quite cool. So that's pretty much it for today. But here's a quick styling tip. You can make any casual or basic outfit look edgy with these quirky pieces. Thanks for watching everyone. And do let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.